Hello, my dear students of Benguet State University. Welcome to our online class. I am your teacher, Jan Lasea.
Ladies and gentlemen, a blessed day to everyone. This is my first lecture on our subject IT 200A, Capstone Project 1 and Research. Let us begin our study on Chapter 1, Introduction to Capstone Project 1 and Research. Rationale and Background. The Commission on Higher Education, CHED, has approved program for information technology and shall henceforth be referred to as computing program. The capstone project is required for candidates for graduation in the computing program. The capstone project is terminal project requirements that would not only demonstrate a student's comprehensive knowledge of the area of study and research methods used, but also allow them to apply the concepts and methods to a specific problem in their area of specialization. Bachelor of Science in Information Technology students must complete a capstone project in the form of an IT application or a multimedia systems development. It is expressly understood that capstone projects need not require surveys, statistics, and descriptive methods unless appropriate. Next, capstone project specifications. A capstone project is an undertaking appropriate to a professional field. It should significantly address an existing problem or need. An information technology capstone project focuses on the infrastructure, application, or processes involved in introducing a computing solution to a problem. Next, scope of capstone project. The capstone project should integrate the different courses or subjects, knowledge, and competencies learned in the curriculum. Students are encouraged to produce innovative results, generate new knowledge or theories, or explore new frontiers of knowledge or application areas. Next, suggested areas of capstone project. Number 1, software development. Under this software development, you can create software customization or made-to-order software or made to a customer's specification as your capstone project. Another is information systems development for an actual client with pilot testing as your capstone project. Another is web application development with at least alpha testing on live servers as your capstone project. Another is mobile computing systems or mobile applications development as your capstone project. Next, suggested areas of capstone project. Number 2, multimedia systems. Under these multimedia systems, you can create game software as your capstone project. Another is e-learning systems or education softwares. You can create a software that teaches and learns academic subjects with learning outcomes as your capstone project. Another is interactive systems. You can create a software that integrates camera, sensors, input and output devices that provides a purpose as your capstone project. Another is information kiosk. You can create a software with touch screen for your user interaction for providing different services as your capstone project. Next, suggested areas of capstone project. Number 3, network design and implementation and server farm configuration and management. The computer network and design is not your major. That is why you will not propose this as your capstone project. I provided this as a additional information. Next, number 4, IT management. IT strategic plan for sufficiently complex enterprises, IT security analysis, planning, and implementation. The IT management is not your major. That is why you will not propose this as your capstone project. I only provided this as additional knowledge. Next, capstone project duration. Students are given ample time to finish their project. 2 semesters. The students must complete their capstone projects. The first semester is the completion of the approved capstone project proposal document. The second semester is the completion of the software project. Next, composition of project groups. Students will work in teams of 2 to 4 members, but depending on the complexity of the project, it is not fixed that the number of members per group are 2 or 4. It can be more than, like 5 or 6 members in one group. Next, presentation of the capstone projects. Capstone project must be presented in a public forum. This forum may be an international, national, regional, or school-based conference, meeting, or seminar that is announced and open to interested parties. This may be separate from the presentation before the panels. Next, software developer and client. You, my students, are the software developers, and you need to find a client whom you create a software project. Your client is your resource person whom you inquire and gather data, business requirements, user requirements, and functional requirements of the software project proposal. Next, capstone project proposal. All laboratory exercises that you solve on my subjects are simple. The laboratory exercises have less features and are meant to be solved by an amateur or novice software developer. The ideal capstone project proposal must have plenty of features that are professionally made for software quality. And here is your assignment. In your group, Find a company or business as your client and make a letter of capstone project feasibility study. Visit and conduct inquiries to the company or business. Submit a proposal document following the format I posted in the Google Classroom. I posted your first assignment in our Google Classroom. Please answer and accomplish it.
That ends our topic for today. I hope you have learned in my class. Thank you for watching. Carry on until tomorrow. God bless us.